Hi, this is Jai sir here. We are going to learn basic of trigonometry. First of all guys, trigonometry is an English word which is a combination of three Greek words. Which are they? Tri, gon and metron. Tri means three, gon means sides and metron means to measure. It means that using trigonometry we find the sides and the angles of the triangle. It means we can measure the sides and the angles of any triangle. In other words, we can say that it relates with the sides and angles of triangle. You have to note down like that. It is applicable only in a right angle triangle. Make sure we make trigonometric ratio in a right angle triangle only. Okay guys, there are many advantages in a daily life of trigonometry. Like that, one daily example like that. This is one tower. One boy is standing over here and seeing at the height of this tower. And this boy wants to measure the height of this tower. What should he has to do? First of all, he goes to this place and take the measure tape and measure the height of this tower. If that boy does not want to go there physically, without going that physically, he has to measure the height of this tower. He has to use the trigonometric ratio. Okay guys, let me tell you. First of all, naming this triangle ABC, and over here B is a right angle and angle A and angle C are acute angles. Make sure guys, we make trigonometric ratio for acute angles only. We make trigonometric ratio for acute angle only. Basically guys, there are three trigonometric ratio. Which are they? Sine, cos and tan. Sine, cos and tan. First of all, in this figure, for angle C, I am considering for angle C. This side is a adjacent side, and for angle C, this AB side is a opposite side, and this AC side is a hypotenuse. Let for angle C we design the formula of the trigonometric ratio. Sin C, cos C and tan C. The formula of sine at angle C is equal to this opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Formula of cos at angle C is equal to this adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Formula for tan at angle C is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Remaining three trigonometric ratios are the exactly reciprocal of these three. First one is a cosec, second one is a sec, third one is a cot. For angle C, we make the formula of cosec, sec and cot. Cosec is exactly reciprocal of this sign, so that the formula is a like that, reciprocal of this, it means hypotenuse upon opposite. And sec is a reciprocal of this cos, it means that formula is a hypotenuse upon adjacent. And cot is a reciprocal of this tan, it means that formula for cot is a adjacent upon opposite. Make sure guys, we design the formula of trigonometric ratio over here is for C angle. We can also design the trigonometric ratios formula for angle A. Let me tell you, for angle A in triangle, this one becomes the opposite sides. For angle A, these sides becomes the opposite sides, and these sides becomes the adjacent side for angle A. You can also derive the formulas for angle A for the same. Okay guys, I hope you get the basic knowledge of trigonometry in this video. Thanks. See you.